Whirlpool 6.5 kg fully automatic top-loading washing machine. Killing 99.9% of germs and allergens now, made easy with Whirlpool fully automatic top-loading washing machine with 6 Sense Ultra Clean technology. The 6 Sense Ultra Clean technology comes with unique soak, 3D scrub technology, agitation and built-in heater which heats water up to 60 degrees centigrade, giving deeper penetration of detergent, removing 25 types of tough stains and eliminating 99.9% germs and allergens from your clothes. The machine has an intelligent hard water software which is perfect for washing your clothes in hard water, giving better detergent action and 30% more softer and brighter clothes in hard water. The machine has Zpf Technology which fills tub 50% faster even when the pressure is as low as 0.017 MPa. With Whirlpool smart diagnostic sensors, you have to worry no more about the voltage levels and water pressure in the tap. It also has detergent saving sensors which detects the load and fabric type and gives the detergent dosage as required. You will be surprised to see the automatic lint removal system, which, after every wash, filters the lint accumulated during wash and removes it. You don't have to worry about getting patchy detergent marks on your clothes anymore, as Whirlpool Stainwash Ultra ensures proper mixing of detergent, ensuring there is no detergent residue left on your clothes. Bring home the quality of Whirlpool with a 10-year warranty on motor and prime mover. Now you can select from grey and wine color and available in wash capacities of 6.5 kgs and 7 kgs.